Welcome to the CAE OneWorld 2021 Virtual Conference and Trade Show. Thank you for joining us for the CAE Trax Academy product demonstration. My name is Philip Perry, and I'm Head of Technology for Defense and Security at CAE. In my role, I oversee the development and integration of technology into CAE products and offerings. I would like to take you through one of CAE's solutions for undergraduate pilot training. All our customers, military and civilian, are currently or will soon be facing shortages of both pilots and instructors needed to train them. As a global leader in training, CAE saw the early efforts to address the issue and quickly innovated to leverage our expertise as a training systems integrator to organize essential elements of learning to fly into a training continuum. The result, the CAE Trax Academy, is a comprehensive training continuum comprised of digitally integrated and virtual reality enhanced components to enable students to learn to fly. The name Trax is from the contraction of the words training and acceleration, and the X is both a representation of the user experience and stands for integration of the immersive mixed reality elements. The CAE Trax Academy is a student-centric system oriented to self-paced training, supported by integrated technology and innovative digital learning tools to guide, to coach, as well as assess the student as they acquire the knowledge and skills. Since introducing the CAE Trax Academy in December 2019, we continue to progress and refine our offering. We'll discuss this during the presentation. The CAE Trax Academy is comprised of three segments: Learn, Practice, and Perform. In the Learn segment, it empowers the student to acquire the requisite knowledge. The Practice segment enables the student to develop the necessary skills by flying the interactive CAE Sprint Virtual Reality, or VR, trainer with a virtual coach to provide tailored guidance. Perform is the trainee's opportunity to demonstrate their proficiency during a check ride on a high-fidelity training device or in a live aircraft sortie, to confirm they have, indeed, acquired the necessary knowledge and skills. To take us through Learn, I'd like to introduce Steve Davis, Senior Manager, Instructional Systems Group at CAE USA.
In the Learn segment, the student is supported by a learning management system, organized into an app with access to courseware, calendar, chat, records, and a whole suite of tools that help direct trainee activities. All of these digital resources and courseware are available whenever and wherever the student chooses to access them. Progress and performance are tracked and measured and are also accessible to the instructor. Students are first introduced to the basics. We present the elements that make up the maneuver, followed by a detailed description of how the sequence is flown. Courseware provides all this information, step by step, and can be viewed as many times as needed. Then, with the aid of a virtual reality headset, we demonstrate the event with narration and instruction, providing the student with a real-world perspective of the exercise. This gives the student both inside the cockpit and out the window views, with sequenced actions and cues for timing. Early access and exposure in a virtual environment enable the student to be familiar and comfortable with the maneuver. That allows them to focus on the physical actions needed in the next segment. We often describe this as chair flying on steroids. Starting with courseware and throughout the process, data analytics, empowered by artificial intelligence and machine learning, create an adaptive learning environment that tailors training to our students' needs. The progress and accomplishment of the trainee is documented with performance dashboards populated by data drawn directly from the Learning Management System, Learning Record Store, and CAE Rise grading data. This allows the student to assess and debrief their own training based on inputs from the virtual instructor. Currently, CAE is working with the Defense Innovation Unit and the U.S. Air Force to implement an innovative learning management system. That system includes tool sets for artificial intelligence and machine learning, which analyze all of the collected data to recommend an optimal training path for each individual. This guidance can help the student decide when they are ready to move to the practice segment of the CAE Trax Academy. I'd like to introduce Chris Cato, Product Manager for Research and Development, to take you through the practice segment.
Thank you, Steve. The practice segment of the Trax training continuum fosters the acquisition of key skills, maneuver by maneuver, in the process of learning to fly. The tools which support the trainee include the CAE Sprint Virtual Reality Trainer, CAE Rise Assessment, and a virtual coach. The CAE Sprint Virtual Reality Trainer provides the student with a highly immersive environment and a small, affordable footprint. The crucial immersive environment of the interactive cockpit and the out-the-window view is provided by the 2020 Acuity VR headset. Physical cues are a product of the chosen flight controls, a force feedback stick and rudder pedals, along with an aircraft representative throttle. Vibration, sound, and haptics are also available to enhance the tactile experience. As the trainee has viewed the narrated step-by-step instructional module, they can begin to transfer the knowledge they've acquired to fly the maneuver, in this case the loop, in the Sprint VR Trainer. The CAE Sprint VR Trainer provides the trainee readily accessible and efficient opportunity for the sets and reps to develop requisite skills. Currently, the CAE immersive training device platforms include the T6, the Grobe G120TP, and the Beechcraft C12, with more advanced fixed-wing and rotary-wing platforms in development. As we prepare to watch this student try to fly a loop for the first time, be aware that integrated into the Sprint VR Trainer is CAE Rise with tailored real-time flight instructor audio cues. This solution is powered by algorithms that track deviation from established parameters defined as per course training standards. The virtual coach provides guidance appropriate to the individual according to their level of experience with each maneuver.
You got a grade 2.
The student receives immediate correction and intervention based on pre-programmed maneuver grading criteria. The interface to the simulator's computing complex monitors flight performance data to provide real-time, standardized grading by CAE Rise. Each time a maneuver is practiced, the result is automatically documented in the trainee's e-gradebook. Performance and progress are tracked, with detailed results available to the student for review and planning, as well as to the instructor for information and any appropriate action. The Artificial Intelligence Performance Analysis Framework provides metrics to validate machine learning-driven training and outcomes. Earlier, Steve talked about adaptive learning. Let's say the student is having difficulty locating and following the section line. The AI engine might link this element to other instances where the student may have not been focused on the out the window, and recommend a remedial lesson on the importance of maintaining situational awareness of the outside environment. The trainee repeats the maneuver until no coaching is required, a high grade is received consistently, and they are confident in their ability to fly a successful event. At this point, the student would engage with the instructor to validate their proficiency. This is the Perform segment. A high-fidelity flight training device, a full flight simulator, or even a live aircraft could be used to confirm the trainee's acquired ability. The student will now, in the company of the instructor, fly the maneuver in the flight training device. Successful grading with CAE Rise and the instructor's confirmation of the assessment means that the student can progress to the next learning task. I'd like to introduce Leon Butler, Business Development Manager and today's demonstration pilot, to provide a perspective on the instructor role in the CAE Trax Academy.
Thanks, Chris. Instructor pilots are time constrained with growing student training requirements. It's a real challenge to address all focus areas with a one-size-fits-all syllabus. Many training units oftentimes experience grading inconsistency from instructor to instructor. In addition to conducting training events with students, instructor pilots carry a significant administrative burden. The CAE Trax Academy data ecosystem integrates both virtual and cockpit simulation environments to monitor student flying against course training standards, providing real-time feedback and ongoing automated documentation of all performance parameters for each individual training event. CAE Rise gives instructors a new approach to objectively assess competencies, while facilitating a focus on student progress, helping to ensure efforts are focused on the right student at the right time with the appropriate intervention. Detailed student pilot performance is captured and presented to the instructor in real time. The instructor retains authority to override any system-generated grades. Past performance helps facilitate preparation, guides brief and debrief sessions, as well as evaluations, and helps to streamline instructor-pilot workflow while harmonizing consistency throughout the organization. During any training event, the instructor can focus on student behavior and actions rather than just monitoring instruments. CAE Trax Academy enables the aggregation of real-time flying grades with learning management system grades to populate a data pool for analytics and adaptive learning recommendations, not just for the individual, but also for the entire class, all accessible via the dashboard. The aggregated performance data uses correctional cues powered by the AI-enabled virtual coach. Ultimately, the training unit can leverage the entire data pool to enable predictive analysis. This analysis provides evidence to identify performance gaps where adaptive training can be applied in real time. This evidence can also be used to reinforce proficiency advancement decisions and support syllabus changes, all fueling the cycle of continuous improvement. And with that, I'll hand it back to Phil.
Thank you, Leon. We can train more pilots and faster while improving the quality of training. We remove the constraints of traditional training, such as a rigid syllabus and classroom setting, then provide enhanced and automated digital tools and a supporting framework for instructors. CAE Trax Academy provides an integrated, comprehensive solution to accelerate pilot training and improves quality and throughput at a significantly lower cost than legacy training. For more information about the CAE Trax Academy, visit our Knowledge Hub, contact your CAE representative, or visit our networking lounge to connect with CAE personnel. I'd like to thank you for joining us at CAE OneWorld 2021 Virtual Conference and Trade Show.